This is Shinjuku, Tokyo's drinking district. With thousands of tiny bars that only seat a few people, this ward is the place to go for a big night out. But how do you know which bars are the best? By going with a local, of course. And in this video, I do just that.
It's the intestine.
This is the intestine? Okay. All right. All right, there's my intestine.
And this is uterus.
There we go.
This is not the uterus.
It's crispy.
My face.
Yeah, your face was like.
I'm sorry. I mean,
It's crispy. It's not too bad. Very chewy though.
What's that?
I think I remember this from the Philippines. Yeah. So it's the same style. All right. And struggling today. This is uterus that he bought for everybody. That is very chewy.
chicken.
It tastes like shrimp.
Yeah, tastes like seafood. Tastes like the octopus I had today. Because it's very chewy.
Sure.
Besides that, it doesn't have much taste actually. Just get your jaw ready to chew.
And it used to be red light.
So there are all these kind of gaming places, a bit like casinos, and that is illegal here in Japan. So what you can do whenever you win is you can get prizes, and then you turn in the prizes at a different place, and you can get money. So it's not in the same place, so that's the way they get around the rules here. That game is bigger than my capsule. We're in the same complex, just kind of walking through. It's one of the newer entertainment complexes here in Tokyo. Alright, so in the second place, we're gonna drink like a local today. So it's the second place, we're gonna drink like a local. It's time for sake. We can't cheers here, we have to sip.
Do you want me to hold it for you?
Yeah, that would be awesome.
Great.
Awesome. This is fermented soybeans, and he mentioned it tastes maybe a bit like Vegemite. All right, let's try the Japanese Vegemite with ginger and soy sauce. I definitely don't taste the Vegemite, but but yeah, fermented soybeans with ginger. It's good. All right, so this is lamb. That is really tender.
Spicy fried rice. Spicy fried rice.
There's also some cabbage in it.
This is horse meat.
Horse meat.
Horse meat. It's what? Horse meat.
Horse. We have horse meat as well.
Okay, raw.
It's raw.
Raw horse meat. I grew up on a horse farm. I am so sorry about what I'm about to do. My mother will probably never forgive me.
It's from your farm.
I hope it's not from our farm. At least we don't have horses anymore.
Wait, but that's yours. That's for your horse. That's for your horse.
Stop it. Stop talking to me.
Raw horse meat with ginger.
Wait,
Sorry.
soy sauce?
Oh, soy sauce. Okay, put some on it. I need soy sauce first. Sorry, Mom.
Victor?
It's fine.
Yeah, exactly.
I think one piece is enough. I don't want to support the trade in horses. Tofu. You might wonder where we go from horse, but we have some tofu. Much more my style.
It's from the horse farm.
No. Everything's been really delicious, even the things that I wouldn't normally eat. That said, I have to say the horse was very mild. I could taste the ginger a lot more than I could taste the horse, which is probably a good thing. Second glass of sake has arrived. Okay, we're in the area surrounding one of the shrines. We're supposed to go see it, but it is a festival today, so it is super busy. And surrounding the shrines are all these street food stalls. This area used to be very local, but now it's filled with tourists. And this is our last stop. I've already had a lot of sake, so I'm not sure what I'm going to have at this last stop. But yeah. Anyway, enjoying this tour.
I miss people. What is it?
We've lost them already.
Yeah, I will be here to wait this open. So at 8.
Okay.
So please come back here at 8.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm here.
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Just like. Okay. I don't. Yeah.
This is the last stop, but we have 5 minutes to kind of look around on our own. Amazing little back alleys. You could really get lost here. I don't want to go too far, otherwise I won't make it back to my tour. But really amazing back alleys. What a place. I want to come back another time to Tokyo and spend a lot of time here in Shinjuku. Amazing. Absolutely amazing part of Tokyo. If you come, I highly recommend that you come to Shinjuku. Come to this part of town, have a look around, and if you're not sure where to come, definitely I can highly recommend our tour. This one is ours. Right?
How many Muppets had to die to make this world?
Oh my gosh.
I didn't bring any dollars. No, it's just like
All kinds of different cash. I might have to leave a bit of dong here.
So you
Oh, sorry.
you should be
Perfect. I have 1,000 dong to leave, which 1,000 dong is about 4 cents. And I will make sure to leave it on the streets here in Tokyo. All right. So Girls on the Loose has been here in Tokyo, in Shibuya, and I'm leaving dong. And if you would like to, please follow us, Girls on the Loose, on YouTube or TikTok. There we go. For posterity, Girls on the Loose here in Shibuya. Or sorry, here in Shinjuku. Sorry. Very traditional Japanese snack. I'm back to the beer. Alright. Ganbei. 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 Ganbei, everyone. Alright, so it was a lovely night out. It was a wonderful tour. And yeah, time to say goodbye for the night. And I hope you've enjoyed this challenge that Susan has sent me. My time in Tokyo has been absolutely wonderful. And so please like and subscribe if you liked it. We're Girls on the Loose. We'll catch you next time. Bye. Hang on, don't go just yet. Now that I'm home, it's time for some tips. Now the first thing is, if you're flying into Narita Airport and want to take the train, it's called the Narita Express, and it runs from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Now one thing to consider is that,
So one thing
to consider is the timing of your flight. So for example, I had a 9 a.m. flight out, and that barely gave me time to get to the airport by the train because it takes about an hour and 15 minutes. That leads me to the next point. Try to fly into Haneda instead of Narita, if at all possible, because it's just so much closer to the city center. Another tip is about vlogging. If you're going there to vlog like I was, you might find it a little bit difficult. Most Japanese people weren't that keen to be on camera, and some of the establishments actually forbid me to film in them. The next tip is about where to stay. So if at all possible, I highly recommend you stay in like Shibuya, but that can be really expensive. I stayed there, but in a capsule hotel that Susan booked, and that kind of mitigated the price a bit. Another place you might want to choose is Shinjuku, also very central. If those places are just outside your budget, then you might have to commute, but don't worry, the train system is really comprehensive. The final tip I want to give you is about eSIMs. Now, this was a perfect idea for Japan, where SIM cards can be quite expensive, and the one Susan got for me, it was awesome. You just landed and you could automatically be connected, and that was a game changer for me. So we're gonna link that in the description below. I have to try it again. The description. Okay. You'll find it linked in the description below. Bear in mind, I was only there for 48 hours, so I'm not an expert. I'm sure there's a lot more tips out there as well, but I hope this gives you some idea of things to keep in mind if you just go for a few days and you really need to be as efficient as possible. Thanks for watching. We're Girls on the Loose. Catch you next time.